In iOS 18, Apple has made the lock screen more customizable. Hence, you can design your lock screen by adding your favorite controls and removing the ones that are not useful to you. What's more, you can even add your favorite Siri shortcut to the lock screen for a quick launching experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone by pressing the side button. And then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. And then you have to long press on the screen and hit the Customize button. And after that, you have to select the lock screen option to proceed. Then you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the button that you don't need any longer. Then you have to tap on the plus button. And now you have to select the shortcut option. Next up, you have to tap on the choose option and then select the preferred shortcut that you want to launch from the lock screen. And finally, you have to tap on the empty area of the screen and hit the done button at the top right corner of the screen, and you are all set. Going forward, you can launch this shortcut by just pressing its icon on the lock screen. Just like this, super cool, isn't it? If I found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and I'll get Bye-bye.